name's Kevin Tyson. I'm 32 years old, and I'm the assistant principal at Stonebridge High School in Ashburn, Virginia. Been an athlete pretty much my whole life. Started out playing baseball when I was 5 years old. I've known Dr. Smith for a while. We have a pretty good relationship, very close relationship. And I was actually participating in the combine here with the football players from my school. We had to do it in the gym due to the weather, and obviously you do it in the gym, the course is shortened a little bit, and so my acceleration was awesome. My deceleration, not so great. So I kind of ran into a wall, and I stuck my hands out to brace myself. Thought I slowed down enough, but apparently not. So it caused me to have a couple of bulging discs in my back and some other issues there. Dr. Smith is awesome. So first he took a look at me, and I really appreciate his approach. Some people just try to kind of prescribe you something because it's more about quantity over quality. And so with him, he took his time, diagnosed exactly what was wrong, and then with him being a manual therapist, he does a lot of work with his hands. So that was really helpful, because I'm not one to necessarily want to jump automatically to pain pills or some type of medicine. I'm really not trying to get hooked on that. I'd rather see if I can avoid that if at all possible. And so that's what he did. And I mean, his treatment was awesome. He's convenient, and he's patient. And I know, obviously, since I've known him a while, that he's always going to do the right thing. So I wasn't really worried about someone trying to get over, or this being about the money, or someone not really knowing what they're doing. I know if he doesn't know how to do it, he will figure out what it is and get it done. In this case, he happened to know exactly what to do. It's been great being able to get back into the groove. And you know, a lot of my confidence is kind of tied to being able to work out. You just feel better about yourself. So life is a lot better since I'm able to do that. I feel like I'm back to full strength, back to who I am. Go see Dr. Smith. Hands down. And I work with therapists here. Obviously, we have our own physical therapists through the school system that work on our sports teams and our athletic teams. I can honestly say, not being biased, none of them compare to him as far as what he is able to do and to be as efficient as he is. And my belief matches with his is if you do it the correct way, it shouldn't be something that takes you 6 months or a year for minor injuries. It should be something that after a couple of times you should be able to go on your own and be okay. And so I would say hands down, go see him, let him work on you. It's worth it.